Say good morning, world. Good morning. Guys, ito na yung ating sayote. Teka, sara ko lang bintana. Ito na yung sayote na inano ko, oh. Ang dayan niya ng roots. So, itatanim na natin siya. Sandali, ibaba muna natin. Ay, ito na. Pwede natin isang bintana. Bye, Sky. Hindi ka muna lalabas. At mabasa-basa kasi maghapong magdamag na naman na umulan. Ay, hindi pala. Nung hapon pala. Umulan. Oh, okay. Kaya basa ang oh. Ang lupa. Ito na. Niready na ni Louie Boy para sa akin yung yung lalagyan ng tubig. Ating itatanim siya muna sa sand. Nakita ko sa tumatawag ito JR. Teka, sandali. JR yan. Ay, hindi ko inabot.
Call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available at the tone.
Sabi niya, I'm outside. Are you okay? Sabi niya, yes, okay. Call me when you can read DMV. Okay. Okay, yun. Nakatext na tayo. Nakita ko kasi guys online. Kasi diba dalawang beses na ako nagtanim ng sayote, hindi successful. Kayo, nakakita ako. Dalawa ito, yung isa nasira. Kasi yun, hindi pa lumalabas yung seed niya, nilagay ko na sa tubig, so nasira siya. Ito, hinantay kong lumabas ng seed, kaya ayan na. Nung lumabas ng seed, nilagay mo sa tubig, magkakaroon ng roots at saka ng dahon. So nakita rin namin sa online, ang kailangan daw sa sand muna siya itanim. So meron tayong buhangin, ilalagay ko siya sa sandy na soil doon sa water bottle na yan. Water bottle. Ay, oh, basta talaga umulan, talagang iba yung tubo ng ng tanim, oh. Ayan, pinutaktin to ng yung parang ladybug, pero orange ang niya. Pinakain yung mga dahon. Ito naman, may mga aphids. Pero, inisprehan ko ng tubig na may sabon. Ayan, may bago na naman, oh. Pero yun nung last time, ito puno ito ng ng mga puti-puti. Okay guys, tatanim ko na, ha. Okay, what did you say, anak?
After 45 years, it's crazy how Dad lived his life in America and got used to that type of lifestyle.
Yeah.
And now after moving back, he's finally back in the Philippines living his life here. And then after a year, he has his own bahay kubo. I would just sit there and think for hours about like my whole life and how long it's been and like how I got to this point. It's probably so nostalgic for him to sit in like a bahay kubo again, like in peace.
That's
on like
right.
a trip where he has to come back after like a month.
True that, Joe. That's what he's been doing. He sits here and he's like, thinking about his life. He's at peace. He's happy. Yeah. And he always just says, I don't need to go back to America. All I feel is that, like, I'm at peace here now. I'm happy in the Philippines, but I miss the kids. He always says that.
Yeah. It's only us. Other than that, it's serenity there, right?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
So that's good. You're okay, anak. So we told JR, if he wants to come, by himself. So he's thinking about it, and then he said, I can come again with Angel. Huh?
He told me, but what dates?
July maybe. I don't know, because he still has to coordinate. He has to go back to Atlanta. He said.
Yeah. Okay. Because I want to see if I can go maybe, but I don't know yet. No promise. I just want to know what dates.
Oh, he doesn't know. And you know the July tickets are cheap too.
Really?
Yeah,
It's
but
summer.
more so in October.
Oh, okay, yeah.
The
No, we looked. It's not too bad right now. We just have to buy it ASAP.
Yeah, because it's less than 800.
Yeah.
That price is like decades ago. Everything now is more than 1,000.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay, Mom.
so you're gonna go now?
Yeah.
Okay, you drive safe, huh? And talk to JR about the DMV so you can go together.
Okay.
Love you,
All
Anna.
right, love you, Mom.
Love you.
Yeah.
Say hi to the vlog.
What's up, vlog?
Say thank you.
Alright, love
Say
you, Mom.
thank you that they support us.
Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for supporting my wonderful parents. I love you guys.
Thank you, Anak. You take care. You drive safe, huh? And pray, please. Pray,
Okay, I
huh?
will.
For guidance and protection. Love you, Anak. It's
Okay,
good.
tell
It's
him-
good we
tell us
talk
I
to
love
you.
him.
Daddy is
Yeah,
happy.
That's gonna give him the strength to fully recover.
Yeah. Yeah, he's better now. Okay,
Okay,
Anak.
good.
Love you.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Hindi pa ako nakatanim, guys. Tumawag si JR kanina. Tumawag naman ngayon si Angel. Nagtatanong kung ano gusto ng daddy nila for Father's Day. Ay guys, oh, tingnan nyo yung yellow bell. Yellow. Tapos, ayan. Yung ating pangtsaa. Ang dami ng bunga. Bunga. Bulaklak. Dahil ilang araw nang wala kami sa garden sa umaga eh. Kasi umuulan naman. So, check ko lang. Hindi nakalabas si Sky. Otherwise, ako, kinain na naman ni Sky yan. Yung bulaklak na yan. Ito na, magtatanim na talaga ako, guys. Pag tumawag mga anak mo, you have to stop whatever you do. Ay! Ito, ang sabi kong akala ko mamamatay na. Ito na, dain ng dahon. Salamat sa Diyos. Salamat, Lord. Salamat. Ang daming, may mga bunga-bunga na siya, oh. Kaya lang, liliit pa. Hindi ito matalim. Niluwid mo yung matalim. May matalim akong trowel eh. Ayun, ito na lang. Ayun. Kailangan well-draining soil. Pero pag ano na to guys, lumaki na siya talaga yung mga dahon niya. Ililipat mo na siya kung saan mo na siya finally tatanim. Ito kailangan sandy kasi kailangan magde-drain siya. Otherwise ma-decompose. Masisira. Ito sandy, sandy itong tambak. Kaya ito ang ating ilalagay. Ang kapatid ko tulog pa yata. Sabi niya magbabike sila ng anak niya. Masarap kasi matulog kasi medyo malamig ngayon, ulan-ulan. Ako nga, ayoko nga bumangon eh. Kaya lang sabi na, Louie, bumangon ka na kasi siyempre may bisita tayo. Kahit family naman yan. Pero hindi pa ako nagluto ng breakfast. Tingnan natin kung gusto nila pumunta sa... Alam nyo ba guys, I've been driving for the last 2 days by myself. Not by myself. Nung una by myself, nung pinick up ko yung kapatid ko. Pero, nung ano, sabi ko sa kapatid ko, ikaw nga mag-drive. Sabi niya, ikaw lang dahil hindi ko alam daan. Which okay lang dahil makapractice ako na. Wala lang problema sa pagdadrive sa, dito sa Angeles at least. Ayan na siya guys, oh. Can you see? Ayan na, oh. Ayan, oh. Gaganon lang siya. Tapos, tatakpan mo lang yung ano, tapos tutubigan mo. Yan lang. Tapos pag lumaki na ito, na yung malaki na siya, madahon na siya, then you can replant it sa kung saan mo siya gusto ilagay. Yung iba sa mga balde lang, yung iba naman diretso sa lupa. Kung ano lang ang ano, kung wala kang space sa mga balde-balde, pwede na yun. Mga lumang balde. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. So, ayan. Tubigan na natin. Basa na yung ano yung sand dahil kasi nga umulan. Kaya nakasave ako sa tubig. Ayan na siya guys. Ayan na. Tapos yan, makikita mo yan guys, ang mga ugat dyan, dadami na yan dyan sa gilid. Lagay na natin doon kasama ng mga ating mga seedlings. Kumusta ang araw nyo guys? Kumusta ang araw nyo? Sana ay mabuti. Praying for everybody's safety. Positive lang tayo guys, positive. Kahit na minsan guys, parang marami tayong iniisip. Kailangan positive tayo, no? Kasi kung negative ang isip natin, ay lahat na talaga magiging negative. All my life, ang talagang number 1 ko na motto, God will provide. Kung ano man yung ipoprovide niya, yun ang best. Kaya dapat hindi tayo mamroblema. Sometimes it's easier said than done. No, sometimes it's easier said than done. Pero we have to trust. Trust God. Wala ka nang ibang magagawa eh. Kundi trust God lang talaga. Trust God lang. Tingnan ko nga yun ang pool. Kailangan yung i-vacuum. Hindi na vacuum dahil si Louie Boy ay nagkasakit kaya nagkatrangkaso. Pero okay naman na siya. Ay punong-puno ang tubig oh. Kailangan niyan bawasan. Tapos ma-vacuum. Kasi gustong maligo ni Julian. Hindi siya makakaligo. Dahil hindi pa na-vacuum. Tingnan nito guys oh. Yung pusa. Ayan oh, pusa yan eh. Hindi naman yan si Sky. Ayan. May pusa. Yung stray cats.
How are you?
Yeah, he had a fever.
How are you, Anak?
Good. I'm not. I quit drinking, so if I go to the Philippines, I'm not gonna drink with you.
Wow! Congratulations!
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. God bless you, anak. You're on the vlog.
Mom, I was born on 420. Come on.
Yeah. Sabihin mo ako rin magkukwit na.
Dad said magkukwit. He will quit too because you quit.
Yeah, I don't drink anymore.
But look,
I'm not, Mom. I'm not. It's not for life. I just need a. I'm gonna stop for a little bit because
but
it's
look
on my
at
stomach.
Miss Malabon came. You know they look at what they brought. They brought all this. Oh, why am I showing? I should be showing it here.
See, Dad can quit after he kills the stash.
Oh look at what they brought, Dad,
It's okay, God.
for visitors.
Look,
But
I wish I could try. Maybe I'll have a beer when I'm there.
hold on, where is it? Look at that.
Oh my God, guys!
Look at how many is that? That was for like visitors.
Shit.
Oh, don't say that bad word. But you know, where's my bag? Oh, my bag is not here. You know they gave me not lip gloss, Dior lip gloss. I've never had Dior ever.
Nice. It's the shiny one, right?
Yeah. And a powder. Anak, I'm gonna so have you decided if you're coming in July or October?
Maybe I want to go in July and then.
No, if not, Jay, if not, it's okay. You just go with Angel. So it will be
Well, the thing is,
happier. I mean,
well, I have to go to. I'm going to Georgia, the Philippines.
Okay, before the Philippines.
I mean, I'm going to Georgia. I'm going to Georgia because Yuri's birthday is on the 8th.
Oh,
You know?
June 8th?
The 8th of August.
Oh, I see. So
So maybe I can come at the end of July.
okay, but what Dad is saying, if it's hard for you
Yeah.
schedule wise, he will understand. It's okay.
Just come with Angel.
Yeah, but I'm really gonna try though because I actually just want to go because I need that.
He needs it, he said.
Okay.
Well, I'll be happy na.
Yeah, I'm happy too.
Careful, anak, you're driving.
Okay, I'm gonna drive home.
Okay, Angel went to Guitar Center, he said.
Yeah.
Okay, be careful, ha?
All right, ingat.
Daddy. Hold on.
Anak.
Wala na.
Anak,
Oh.
be careful, anak, ha?
I will.
Okay. Always ingat, ha?
Yeah, Mom, send me how much I owe you and then how much Dad wants for the gun.
The gun is 25,000, so it's like $500.
Yeah, so have Mom tell her to send how much I owe her and then tell her to send how much the gun is and then I'll send it out.
Okay. Okay, ingat ka always, anak, ha? Don't kiss me because I'm sick, okay? Okay? I love you.
Careful,
anak.
anak.
Love
You're
you.
driving.
I don't care, Dad. I don't care.
I love you.
Love you, Dad.
Okay.
Ingat.
God bless.
Love you, anak.
God bless.
Okay. Ingat. Love you. Bye-bye.
God bless you.
Love you. Bye-bye. God bless you. I did. Natawa si JR. Sabi mo, don't kiss me, I'm sick. Natawa siya.
Ipadala mo na nga sa kanya dahil para alam niya na at least.
Okay, I will. Right. Okay.
Saka 500.
Okay na, let me. Ay, naku, salamat sa
Teka,
Diyos.
una natin una mo ng picture yung ano, yung nandun sa video.
Okay.
Sa ano.
Okay. Guys, inaaya ko si Louie Boy. Nakakain na lang kami sa McDo. Sabi niya, not today. Abay, masama nga siguro pakiramdam kasi inayawan ang McDo. Ito, nagluto na lang. Pero pinakain ko na siya para makainom siyang gamot. Pero he's much better. Wala na siyang lagnat. So, one more day siguro pahinga. Ito, para sa akin at sa kapatid ko at saka sa kay Julian. Ito, itlog. Tapos, itong ano, corned beef na lang. Tinatamad din ako mag-drive na pumunta doon na sa McDo. Kaya, mamaya na lang kami lalabas. Ito na lang ating i-breakfast. Nagsaing ako kasi sila kumakain ng kanin. Oh, teka, hanapin ko sa basurahan. Malinis pa naman ito. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Itong Pure Foods corned beef, nakalagay, saan na yun? Nakalagay? Halal. Ayan, yung bilog na yun. It says halal. So, mabuti sa mga kaibigan at mga kababayan nating Muslim, ano? Kasi, kailangan sa kanila halal, di ba? So, kahit baka siya, pwede nilang kainin dahil halal. So, that's good. Hindi ako Muslim, pero I respect people's religion, beliefs. Hindi naman yung kailangan pag-awayan o pag-argumentuhan ang politics and religion. Kasi iba-iba tayo ng pananaw, iba-iba tayo ng belief. Ako 7th-day Adventist, si Louie Boy, lumaking Katoliko. Ako naman lumaking Adventist. So, iba-iba. Pero hindi namin pinag-awayan yan. Ayun guys, luto na yun. Lagyan ko lang sibuyas. Pwede rin may bawang. Pero masarap ang bawang. Kaya, ito na, okay na yun. Kasi kahit nga walang sibuyas, malasa na yan. Gigisa-gisa lang na parang hanggang mag-dry. Masarap na yan. Tapos pag hindi maubos, no problem. Gawing torta. Iba na naman siyang putahe. O, diba? Tingnan guys. Sky! Ay! Kinuha mo yan ha? Ikaw talaga. Ikaw talaga. Move. Ay! 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 Kaya mo yan. Ang bigat niya. Ah! Move. Ay, silangga.